Welcome back to the workshop. Yeah, we're cracking on now at ZZR. Carbies are in place. We've got the wiring loom kind of roughly set where it wants to be. We've assembled the front brake and bled it. You'll have seen in the previous videos the master cylinder being put together, as well as the master cylinder for the rear wheel. So now we're at that point where we need to get all the ancillaries and bits and pieces on, and then after that it's plastics. Okay, so without further ado, we'll start by putting the throttle cables in place, fitting out the other handlebar and getting the pipework and the coils back on the top of the engine. Right, let's crack on. Okay, now we've got the handlebars on and all the cables are routed. We're in a position now where we can finish tidying up top of that engine. So as you can see, all the cables are in place. I hope this video is of some help to people out there, that you folks out there that need to know how to route cables, because they can be a little bit awkward on the ZZR. That clutch cable back there, for instance, it goes right across top of that radiator. It's a little nasty one, is that? It comes up the back of that radiator there, look. And then round and up. Your throttle cables are very tight too, but it all seems to work, so Mr. Kawasaki got it right, I think. So, next task, we need to tidy that cabling up. We've got everything in place on the handlebars. All the switches work. Clutch cables, throttle cables, choke cables. So we'll sort that wiring out and then we can start putting the pipework on the top of the engine. Okay. Now you'll notice that all these connectors are coded and shaped. Okay, so you can't really get them wrong when you put everything back together. Breather pipe for carburetors.